I looked at the rising sun and asked, "What have you to teach me today?" I heard a voice which said, "Always generate more light than heat." A very good morning to everyone present here. I take this privilege to warmly welcome all our delegates on the first day of the National Conference on Trends in Management of Academic Libraries in Digital Environment, TMALD in 2014. Divine chants and thoughts ward off evil and hurdles to make way for light and happiness to dwell. I invite the prayer group for the same, and I request the audience to rise for the prayer.
Akshamala Dharini Gnanarupini Sharade Vidyadevi Namostute Vidyadevi Namostute Batahi Basharade Batahi Basharade Shringeri Mate Sada Pujite Bangar Sharade Chirashanti Dhate Sada Pujite.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's my privilege to welcome our esteemed chief guest, Dr. V.G. Talwar, Vice Chancellor, Reva University, Bangalore, and President, Karnataka Library Association. Sir is an authority in the field of library science and his experience and exposure range over 3 decades. Sir previously held the position of Vice Chancellor, University of Mysore. May I now request Dr. N. Sundararajan, Vice Chancellor, Jain University, to welcome Sir. Professor T.D. Kemparaju, Professor and Director of Distance Education, Bangalore University, who has gracefully consented to be the keynote speaker. Sir was the Chairman and Head, Department of Library and Information Science for the last 4 years. He has contributed about 100 publications in international and national journals. Sir is a Board of Examiners member and Board of Studies member in many universities in the country and an eminent resource person for UGC refresher courses in Mysore University, Harvard University, and many other universities. I request Dr. N.G.R. Iyengar, Pro Vice Chancellor, Jain University, to welcome Sir with a token of appreciation. After consistent efforts and ardent guidance, this conference has seen the light of the day. Dr. M. Krishnamurthy, DRTC ISI Conference Director, has been a constant source of support in this regard. Sir is a faculty at Documentation Research and Training Center, Indian Statistical Institution. He has visited many foreign countries for academic assignments. May I now request Dr. B.T. Venkatesh, Controller of Examinations, to welcome Sir with a token of appreciation. Thank you. We welcome you, Sir. Dr. N. Sundararajan, Vice Chancellor, Jain University, is the backbone of our research activities and an immense guiding force behind every university initiative. It is indeed my good fortune to welcome Sir on today's auspicious celebration of knowledge. I request Dr. B.T. Venkatesh, Controller of Examinations, to welcome Sir with a token of appreciation. Welcome you, Sir. Dr. N.G.R. Iyengar, Pro Vice Chancellor, Jain University, is a persona of patience and vision. Sir has accepted to be the conference chairman for the 2 days national conference. He has published more than 110 papers in national and international journals in the area of composites, optimization, vibration, and stability. Sir is also holding the office of Mentor, International Institute of Aerospace Engineering and Management, Jain University. I request Dr. B.A. Vasu, Center Head, to welcome Sir with a token of appreciation. We welcome you, Sir. I'm delighted to welcome Dr. B.T. Venkatesh, Controller of Examinations, Dr. B.A. Vasu, Center Head, School of Commerce and Management Studies, Jain University. I would like to extend a warm welcome to all the principal officers of Jain University. I wholeheartedly welcome all the delegates present here, eager to participate and present their hard work in the form of research papers. I heartily welcome all the coordinators and faculty members of various departments for this day. Thank you.